How to send friend requests on Facebook. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to send friend requests on Facebook. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook application. Once you open up the app, make sure that you are logged into your account. And after making sure that you're logged in, you're going to have to find the Friends tab, which will be right here on top. If this is not shown here, what you can do is go to Menu, go to Settings, and then from here scroll down until you find Tab Bar, tap on it, go to Customize the bar, and make sure that you pin this Friends tab. So what you can do is you will always be able to find this. And once you have done that, just go back again and go to the Friends tab. Now you can search for any username that you want to add. So once you have done that, you could just go ahead and send them a friend request. So let me just go ahead and send friend request like this. And the friend request has been sent. And if you want to cancel the request, tap on cancel. So that's how you basically send friend requests on Facebook. And once they accept your request, you guys will be friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.